420 Roll with Google Play. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can pay for Crunchyroll using the Google Play. So in order to do that you need to have some funds in your Google Play. So how can you add funds in the Google Play? For that you have to go to your Google Play application, then you have to simply tap on your profile, and then you have to go to payment and subscription. There you go. You can add payment methods or redeem a code after adding the funds. You simply have to go to your control application. In the control application you have to tap on your account, which should be on the bottom right. Then you have to tap on this membership plan. Then you have to tap on Core Premium. There you go. You'll be given three options. You just have to select one according to you afterwards. As you can see, if I tap on your not start subscription, it will want me to pay using Google Play. So that's pretty much it. That's how it will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.